Imagine having the power to shape your world from within. Today, we're demystifying how to change reality with your mind. Get ready for a journey that could change everything. As Lester Levenson wisely said, by releasing your inner limitations and negative beliefs, you can change your reality and experience a life of greater joy, abundance, and fulfillment. This profound statement holds the key to understanding the mirror principle, a concept that reveals the intricate connection between your inner world and the reality you experience. Today, we're not just going to scratch the surface, we're going to explore the depths of this transformative concept. I'll explain what the mirror principle is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can apply it in your life to shape your reality from within. Whether you've just started your journey of self-improvement or you're a seasoned explorer of the mind's potential, this video is for you. The mirror principle is not just a concept. It's an invitation to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and self-transformation. Think of it as the call to adventure in your life's journey. You, the hero of your own story, are being beckoned to explore uncharted territory within your mind, to uncover the hidden potential that lies within you. This call is not just an opportunity, but a powerful realization. The power to change your reality lies within you. It's an invitation to break free from the status quo, the limitations, and negative beliefs that may have held you back. It's a call to step into a world where your thoughts become your reality, where joy, abundance, and fulfillment are not just distant dreams but tangible possibilities waiting to be realized. For many, this concept can be a turning point in their lives. It's that moment when you recognize that you're not a passive observer of your life but an active creator of your destiny. It's the moment you say, I am ready to change my reality, and I have the tools to do it. The mirror principle becomes your guide, leading you on a path towards self-empowerment and a brighter, more fulfilling future. So, are you ready to answer the call? Are you prepared to step into the adventure that the mirror principle offers? If so, let's delve deeper into this fascinating journey, uncovering the wisdom and practical steps that will help you harness the power of your mind to transform your reality. In essence, the mirror principle suggests that the way you perceive and interact with the world is influenced by your inner thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes. If you hold positive thoughts and beliefs about yourself and your potential, you're more likely to experience positive outcomes in your life. Conversely, negative thoughts and beliefs can manifest as obstacles and limitations. Consider it as a direct cause and effect relationship between your mind and the reality you experience. If you constantly see yourself as unworthy or incapable, your external circumstances may align with that perception. On the other hand, if you change your self-view and cultivate positive beliefs, your external world can change in response. This principle encourages you to recognize the immense power you have within to shape your own reality. It's like having a magic wand that allows you to transform your surroundings and experiences by first transforming yourself from within. It's the belief that by altering your internal world, you have the capacity to alter your external world. So, in simple terms, the mirror principle is the understanding that your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes create a reflection in your reality. By changing these internal aspects, you can, in turn, change your external circumstances. It's an invitation to be the architect of your destiny, to take control of your life's narrative, and to create a reality filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Lester Levenson's own life story is a powerful testament to the transformation that can occur when the mirror principle is applied to change one's mindset. In reality, here's a story that highlights his remarkable journey. Lester Levenson was a successful physicist living a conventional life in the early 1950s. He had a stable career, a loving family, and all the trappings of what many people would consider a comfortable and successful life. However, his life took a dramatic turn when he suffered a severe heart attack that nearly claimed his life. At the age of 42, he found himself at death's doorstep, facing the reality of his own mortality. During his recovery, Lester began to reflect on the state of his life and the choices he had made. He realized that his heart attack wasn't just a random event, it was a manifestation of his inner world. His high-stress lifestyle, combined with unexamined negative beliefs and thought patterns, had contributed to his health crisis. Lester decided to take a different path. He began delving deep into self-reflection, seeking to understand the power of his thoughts and emotions. He applied the mirror principle in his own life, recognizing that his inner world was directly influencing his external reality. Over time, Lester's mindset began to shift. He released the inner limitations and negative beliefs that had once held him back, instead of dwelling on fear and stress. He cultivated a positive and optimistic outlook. He embraced the belief that he could heal himself, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually as well. Remarkably, his health improved. Despite dire medical predictions, Lester not only survived but thrived. He experienced a complete transformation in his overall well-being. His heart condition improved, and he regained his vitality. However, the changes in Lester's life extended far beyond his physical health. Applying the mirror principle led to positive changes in his mindset and reality. He went on to develop the release technique, a method based on letting go of negative emotions and beliefs to achieve greater happiness and success. Lester Levenson lived for several more decades, sharing his insights and teachings with countless individuals. His story exemplifies the potential for profound change when one applies the mirror principle to alter their internal world, leading to a positive transformation in their external reality. It serves as an inspiration for all those who seek to change their lives by changing their mindset. In wrapping up our exploration of the mirror principle, we've unveiled the remarkable potential that lies within each one of us. Just as Lester Levenson's story demonstrated, our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes hold the key to changing our reality. The mirror principle is not a one-time miracle, but a lifelong journey of self-improvement and personal growth. It's an ongoing process where we continually refine our inner world, manifesting positive changes in our external reality. The resolution in this narrative is not an endpoint, but a perpetual commitment to self-discovery and empowerment. It's a promise to ourselves that we'll keep evolving, letting go of limitations and embracing the boundless potential within. This journey is an invitation to embrace a life where joy, abundance, and fulfillment become the new normal, and every day is a testament to the extraordinary power of our minds. As we step forward into this ever-evolving story, may we all be inspired to use the mirror principle to create the reality we truly desire, shaping our lives from the inside out. Now, as we conclude our journey into the realms of the mirror principle, it's crucial to return to the idea that your reality can indeed be changed. The mirror principle isn't a mere theory. It's a practical tool that empowers you to transform your life. With this newfound understanding, you have the potential to create a new, improved status quo. Your everyday existence can shift from one marked by self-doubt and limitation to a life brimming with self-assuredness and abundance. Imagine a reality where the external world mirrors the radiant positivity that you now hold within. The trials and challenges you once faced begin to dissipate, replaced by opportunities and fulfillment. Your personal and professional life aligns with your most optimistic dreams, making every day a reflection of your newfound inner confidence. Remember that this journey isn't just about solving your immediate challenges, but about creating lasting change. It's about cultivating a reality where you become the author of your own story, capable of manifesting joy, abundance, and fulfillment at every turn. The path you've embarked upon is ongoing, with no limitations or boundaries. It's an ever-evolving adventure, with each chapter revealing the power of your mind to shape your reality. The idea is simple. By embracing the mirror principle, you have the potential to create a new, improved status quo that radiates with positivity and possibility. As you continue applying this principle in your life, watch how the reflection in the mirror of your reality transforms, showing the world your profound journey of self-discovery and self-transformation. We hope this journey into the mirror principle has inspired you to embrace the transformative power of your own mind. If you're hungry for more wisdom from the great Lester Levenson, be sure to check out our other video, where we delve even deeper into his incredible life and teachings. Until then, may your reality be shaped by the boundless possibilities that lie within you. Keep exploring, keep growing, and keep manifesting a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. We'll see you in the next video.